What is going on, guys? Well, I'm back out to the Shuswap. Day 7 today on this deck project. Yesterday it was smoking hot, so today I'm wearing my white shirt, trying to cool down, and some shorts. Just picking up a coffee at McDonald's using my points. I don't know if you guys do that or not, but every time I'm at a restaurant I try to use the points because it definitely helps, especially with a coffee. I mean, it's like $4 or $5, so if you use your points, especially with Tim Hortons, you get a free coffee, or you can get whatever if you save them up. So mine's well. So today I'll put you guys out in the center for a minute. See if I can get you guys back on the seat. Beautiful, beautiful day. Temperature outside says 13, sunny, blue skies. I'm sure it's going to be spectacular at the Shuswap. The plan today is we're going to do some more supports underneath and then go back to decking on top. So we got some heavy beams to lift in from underneath. So we want to get those done early in the morning while we're fresh, and then get back to the decking. So just got to get my coffee. I should say coffees, because I have already one from home. But I don't know, heading back last night, I was so tired that I got my coffee. And then if you guys haven't tried these, they just came to Canada, Celsius. They're like fruit drinks that give you energy. So, but don't have all that other bad stuff in them, which is really cool. So I've been trying those. They're like a different fruit kinds. Like they got this marshmallow vibe, I think it's called. I can't remember what it exactly name is. I'll put it up on the screen, but they're so good, and they're good for you. They're real juice. So let's get my coffee and let's get on the road.
Too much coffee, double?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Got my coffee. And let's get on the roads. Hey everybody, my name is Andrew Avley. After a workplace accident, I was left as a bump knee amputee. I had a decision to make. Get busy living or get busy dying. Obviously, you only have one life, so I made the decision to get busy living, exploring every opportunity that's presented to me. Tune in every week for different adventures, both from accessibility standpoint to adventures with my family and friends. And every adventure begins with one leg at a time.
Okay, so you're locked and loaded?
All good to go. Well, good morning, y'all. Getting my liner on. So, Leah will be happy. See, Leah, I'm putting my liner on. You won't be yelling at me again. Today, it's going to look like we do nothing again. But we're putting in beams to support the railings. And the beams are quite heavy, so we've got I'll show you on the scaffolding, but the scaffolding is all set up and ready to go. Make sure my liner's on good. I'm wearing shorts today because yesterday it was too hot.
You'll be cold today.
That's Scotty talking. Okay. And believe it or not, you hear those birds? That's not me pumping bird noises in. That actually exists. That's Scotty trying to whistle. That is actually birds, guys. Okay, we are ready to get going. Well, you guys, so this is what I'm dealing with here. Putting one of these, what are they called? Simpson hangers in. So I'm going to hang it off the house, and then on the other hand, we're using the beam all the way across to support that pole. So Scotty's just cutting these little blocks that will help us put it in, and then we'll take the blocks out after. It's just as a shim because it's, you can see. People like me, it's a little tight. Little tight. There we go. Okay. Little tight. Okay. Okay, so I got the hanger in place. So the plan is to hang the beam off that up there, and then on the other end, excuse my shaky camera work here, you can see that post in the far corner right where my finger is. So the beam's going to go right there, and then we're going to bolt in that post there. So that should reinforce that post, but it's going to be a fun. Super easy. Take this, like this, like this. Yeah, that's good. That's okay. Gotta have the morning coffee, you know, to warm up.
There you go.
And 5 o'clock somewhere. This is how simple jobs, you know, you just think, oh, we'll slap the beam in, right? And it's little shit like this that sucks up so much time. Hey guys, so holy God, so that end's in now. Let me just kneel down here. You see the beam there? So we got to shove it over about probably 2 inches and then down 2 inches. So Scotty's going to take a big crowbar and kind of see if he can wedge it over.
Then it's Miller time.
Yeah, then it's Miller time once it's in spot. Okay. Okay, so it's in now. So what we're doing is the jack crew when they were here, they missed putting screws on this side of all the joists. They did the other side, but they just missed it. So we're just going to bomb some screws in while we're here. The post is nice and strong and it's straight, which is good. After lunch, we're going to put another beam in, do exactly the same thing behind. I'd really like to say it's going to be easier, but it's not. That side might be even tighter. So we're back from lunch now. We had another great lunch. They're so amazing here, Sue and Scott. And we had some hot dogs, smokies today, which were really good. I don't know, some of these YouTubers make it look super easy, but for me, it's not so easy. So let's go get on with it. I gotta move the racking, the scaffolding, sorry, move it over. And then we'll start going at it again. Turn the air conditioning on. an afternoon update. Let me just fix the camera. That's my update so far. So our plan is to deck this side this afternoon. So we're hoping. There is a thunderstorm up on the brew there, so we have heard the thunder. So we'll see if this happens, but it should go fairly quick. So I hope you guys are liking this series. This is yesterday was day 6, so this is day 7 of the elevated deck project here in the North Shuswap. It's a lot of work, but we're really making progress now. If we don't do this now, it's going to get too hot in the summer though, so we've got to get this done before then. So get started. We better move fast, Scotty. The rains are coming. Hey there guys, the weather held out. Standing on the new deck. Well, part 2 deck. I still got the Juliet deck yet to do. So it's completed day 6 and day 7 on here. I think the weather might hold out. I might send Rudy up and get a couple shots from the top if Scott's okay with that. Yeah. Oh. Battery dead? I'll see you guys on the next one. 20%. If you guys like the video you're watching today, then I ask you to consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video, as it extremely helps me. If not, then I just appreciate your time in watching the episode. Have yourself a great afternoon, and I'll see you on the next one.